You guys are doing fabulous. I may have to put on my sunglasses just because I don't want to squint this entire video. The sun's out and we are doing a watermelon cleanse. We're digging a little deeper, you guys. We're going for the more watery fruits, and what better fruit than the watermelon? And the last couple watermelons I've had are amazing. They taste super, super good. So yeah, I'm gonna be getting into the watermelon this week. We're gonna see how long I can go. We're gonna try for 5 days. And I may switch up the melons. We may just do a melon detox, but I really wanna start digging in deeper. And yeah, some people that might be just tuning into this, a watermelon cleanse, why would you wanna do that? Well, I'm always trying to heal my skin, my kidneys, my adrenal glands, you know, those genetic weaknesses. And watermelon is super hydrating. So it's really astringent and can really clean and pull on the lymphatic system. And some people may be like, well, you know, this is extreme, you know, these cleanses, these detoxes are extreme. And for me, like, I do these now and then just to, I go more to the watery fruits, like the lemons, the oranges, the watermelon, just to really get a bit more filtration with the kidneys. And these fruits really make it happen. So I'm looking for a lot more sediment in my urine and working on those kidneys and the lymphatic system. So these fruits will do it. And what I think was extreme, if we want to talk about extreme, is, you know, me, I drank so much alcohol, you guys, for like over 12 years. And the damage that's done on my liver and all the rest of my organs, even on a cellular level, with all the toxic foods and medications, you know, all these processed foods and junk foods, fast food, it all just went together, you know, the drinking and the fast food, and that is just really, really acidic on the body. And I found, you know, that lifestyle was really extreme. And so now I find that this is actually what's needed. Bringing health to the body nowadays, it's just not looked upon as, it may not be looked upon as normal in our society. And what the majority of the population's doing is looked at as normal, like eating fast food and junk food and drinking alcohol. And so I'm trying to change that. I'm trying to make this normal. And it's gonna be a challenge for sure. Because a lot of us are battling addictions and the mind, and so it's going to take a little bit of time and a little bit of work, but I think we can make it happen. And I'm going to prove it just with working on myself too. So yeah, so this is what it's all about. It's all about hydrating the body with fruits and vegetables and juices and doing a good cleanse now and then. And it's really, really good for the body to take a break and just heal. And sometimes you may need to take a break from, you know, just take a staycation and just really rest and work on your body with herbs, or, you know, it doesn't even have to be herbs. It can just start with the fruit, having fruit for breakfast. That's just one step, you know, in the right direction. It's just about making those steps in the right direction. And yeah, and there's ups, there's downs, and it's just, you know, turning back the clock on all these genetic weaknesses. So I'm having fun experimenting with the fruits. I've been doing a lot of research on the fruits. And for me, what I found is the mangoes are one of the most exceptional fruits in terms of nutritional, looking at all the nutrition and even bananas. It's amazing if you're wanting to build. There's the cleansing. I find like the grapes, watermelon, those are the real cleansers, astringents on the lymphatic system. I love those fruits. But if we're looking at building, I'm finding the mango is one of the best for cleansing and building. So I'll keep this video short, but I just want to let you know I'm going to be doing a watermelon cleanse, and there's going to be a Q&A coming up soon. So if you have any questions, please leave them down below. And I have a few questions I'm going to be answering in this next video, so it should be fun. So thank you guys so much for tuning in, and hope you're doing well. As always, be alkaline, be yourself, and be getting in some sunshine today. Cheers.